Now, your Storm Track weather with meteorologist Eli Millard.
After we saw some thunderstorms develop in our western and southwestern and southern counties, now a much more quiet start this morning. A partly cloudy to mostly cloudy sky currently at Manhattan, and the same story right now in central Topeka. It's an incredibly warm start with all of the humidity that we've seen in the air, not allowing us to drop off in temperature. That moisture holding on. 7 degrees your current temperature, feels like 70 with that dew point in the upper 60s. Muggy to start off, winds calm right now. And that's what we'll see throughout today. Warm and muggy, starting off in the upper 60s and lower 70s, 70 at Hiawatha, 68 at Council Grove, 66 your current temperature at Clay Center. And those dew points, again, muggy, middle to upper 60s early on in June. Not really used to these dew points, so it's going to feel humid throughout today. Now, if this was the middle of July, this would actually feel good. Would be used to the humidity. Not really used to it just yet. So muggy today, similar to what we saw yesterday. Winds out of the south right now, 10 to 15 to 20 miles per hour. Wind not really too much of an issue. We'll see it about 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to around 20 miles per hour. But today warming up to lower to middle 80s. Again, muggy, so feels like temperatures will be warmer than that. So a warm and muggy day. Then going on throughout tonight, dropping off. Still warm tomorrow morning with all the moisture in the air. Lower 70s to start off tomorrow morning. And here's that wind, about 10 to 15 miles per hour at times, gusting to around 20 miles per hour out of the south throughout this afternoon. And tonight, hanging on to a south wind around 5 miles per hour. Some isolated showers and storms earlier on this morning. It was at its strongest in southern Lyon County into southeastern Lyon County into southwestern Coffee County. About nickel-sized hail at times. Now that storm has tapered off and tracking towards the east. Just some rain now moving into Anderson County. And had some storms try to develop in Riley and Geary County. See them pop up real quick and then fizzled out as the instability is not really there anymore. Most of that instability is staying off towards our south as a strong line of storms is now making its way into north central Oklahoma. The northern part of this will try to go down I-70 and give us a chance for rain for our southern counties. So future track starts this morning, dry initially, but here comes that line of storms. Some isolated showers and storms I-35 and south throughout the early afternoon hours. Can't rule out a pop-up storm or two this afternoon, this evening. Most folks stay dry. The main chance for rain is along a frontal boundary that moves through on Tuesday. As it slides through, some strong storms are possible. Strong to severe storms are possible as this line makes its way through the area and exits the area late Tuesday night into early on Wednesday. So a slight risk for severe weather, mainly a wind and hail event. The tornado threat is low, but it's not zero, but mainly wind and hail is what we're looking for Tuesday evening into Tuesday night. So your 7-day forecast, high today, 84 degrees, 86 on Tuesday. Then we get rid of that humidity Tuesday night as that frontal boundary pushes through. More of a dry heat on Wednesday, 89 for your high on Wednesday, 85 on Thursday.